DJI have made microphones stylish again with the brand new Mic Mini 2. Look at all these different color options that you can put onto your microphone system. Love this. You can literally match it to the outfit you're wearing or the scene that you're filming in. I'm sure you all know that DJI create amazing microphone systems, and the Mic Mini is such a fascinating concept. It's literally a magnetic faceplate that is completely customizable. This is one of the artist sets, so there's a 4-pack that you can pick up as well, just to customize even more. Like, so cool. I love that this is an option for our microphones now. And also on top here, I've got the custom windscreen. So I've gone with that autumn kind of orange color to match up with the yellow, just to match the scene. I've got the yellow light, the yellow shirt, and I love that we can customize this now with our microphone system. This is what it looks like when it's on, and you can see that it's a natural fit, and you can match the colors of the scene. So like I said, really made this a yellow scene with that darker kind of orange color as well. The thing that's really impressive is it's only 11 grams for the transmitter. So this little system here is only 11 grams. The kit that I received does come with the 2 transmitters and the 1 receiver. So right now, all the audio you're hearing is coming directly from the Mic Mini 2, set up with my Panasonic G9, so you're getting direct audio from the microphone system right now. For full disclosure, the Mic Mini 2 was provided to me by DJI for review purposes, and this video has been sponsored by the D1 store, but just so you know, all my thoughts expressed throughout this video are my own, and no one has influenced anything I've said here. This is the transparent design here. It's not completely transparent, but you can see a little bit into the microphone system, and then you just use the magnetic faceplate, and you can even layer them, not that you would want to, but they are just a simple magnetic plate that just attaches to the front, and then you can just remove them like that with ease. One of the biggest calling cards of the Mic Mini, as the name suggests, is that it's a mini microphone. I love that the clip system has come back again this time, so you can mount the clip in different orientations, just so that when you clip it on, there'll be a video of me with my button-up shirt on, and we can just clip it on an angle, but just still have the microphone facing up instead of on that angle. So I really like that magnetic clip system that DJI implemented with the Mic Mini 2. With this new version of the Mic Mini, it does actually come with 3 different voice tone presets, as well as 2-level noise cancelling. Really nice to see that, even though this isn't their pro microphone system, great to see some of those pro level features coming in here. And you'll see some of the overlay right now, a screen recording from my phone when I'm using the DJI Mimo app. There's a bunch of customization and freedom through that app as well. So you can go in there and change a bunch of settings, which makes it super easy to change things on the fly with that app interface. The other little accessory that I'm quite a big fan of is this guy here. So it's basically a mobile receiver. It's just a USB-C on top. You plug that into your phone, and then you can connect up wirelessly with the microphone system to then have really nice audio on your smartphone. They say you get 48 hours of operating time, which is really impressive here. And as you would imagine, there's an option once enabled called automatic limiting. And basically what this does is it prevents audio clipping. So really handy stuff when you speak really loud and it's likely that the audio will clip and peak out and sound way too loud. There is that automatic limiting that you can enable for the Mic Mini 2. They also say there's about a 48-hour operating time, and it does come with this charging case. I love this design. Straight when you put the receiver and the 2 transmitters in, it will automatically start charging everything in this case here. All you have to do is keep this case charged with a USB-C, and you're ready to go. You can just put things in when you're traveling, it will charge it up, and it's ready to go again. Love this system. It's been around for quite some time now by DJI, but really smart system here. I also love how much you can pack in here. You can leave the magnetic clips in, all the different accessories, like I've got the mic accessory, I've got the other connection piece here, which is a USB-C. You can have the receiver, the 2 transmitters, the windscreens, everything fits in here nicely. Even the cable for the camera, there's a specific spot for it in this case. If you guys are interested in the DJI Mic Mini 2, maybe the face plates or any other accessory, drone camera, whatever that may be from DJI, then make sure to check those links down below. I've actually helped Australians save over $110,000 on their drone camera and accessory purchases through the D1 store. So if you have a DJI store local to you around Australia, there's a bunch of them around, just go in store, mention DansTube, and they'll help you out with the best deal they can. You can also reach out to them directly, sales@d1store.com.au. Again, just mention DansTube. And the other other option is just on the website using the code DansTube to save on most drones, cameras, and accessories. And for all my international viewers, I will have some links down below, so don't you worry. They're all affiliate links. They do help out the channel, and I do appreciate if you use anything linked down below. I also love the DJI Osmo Audio. So basically, if you've got an action cam or a pocket system from DJI, it just connects up super seamlessly. You just go into the settings, connect it up, and it works with absolute ease. I love that process. They've perfected it now, but it's been around for a little while. Definitely great to see it on the Mic Mini 2 as well. I love how simple the receiver is. There's not too much going on with it, but it's got this simplified dial that you can roll to adjust to 5 levels of gain. So either you can increase or decrease the gain depending on the environment you're in just by rolling the dial. It's so simple to do, and I've literally done it before this video. I played around with it. So simple. Love how that process works, and there's no screen on it or anything. It's very clear that the Mic Mini series has that simplified version and that simplified workflow, which is actually really nice. It's definitely clear that the Mic Mini range is the more budget-friendly range. It doesn't have all the bells and whistles. Like when you look on the microphones themselves, there's no audio jack, there's no way to record internally on it, there's no 32-bit float or anything like that. That's very clearly reserved for the Pro version of the Mic series, the Mic 3, for example. But the Mic Mini 2 has so much style behind it, and the audio quality is still pro grade that I think it's actually a cool buy for a lot of people. Like I can see a lot of lifestyle creators, travel creators, vloggers, whatever it is, people who just create content for YouTube. Like the fact that you can customize the microphone to fit your vibe, I love that. That's such a cool little twist on it, and it's so easy to just swap out the magnetic plate. One comment on the magnetic plates is that I did think the magnets were going to be a little bit stronger. I do find that it's a little too easy to remove the plates, which is not an issue if you're in an environment like this, but let's say you're traveling, you're moving around, a gentle nudge or getting bumped by something or whatever that may be, someone knocking you or you walking past a wall or something, and it just gets caught. I think that you might lose some of these plates if you're really out and about doing that lifestyle thing. But in a studio environment like this, it's really not an issue. I'm not going to knock it off, and if I do, I can find it pretty easily. I just would have liked to have seen the magnets a little bit stronger, just so I'm a little bit more confident when the magnetic plates, the face plates, are attached. But besides that, the build quality on everything feels solid. I love how lightweight the microphones are, but they feel super solid. I love all the different mounting options with the clip and the magnetic plate. The receiver works really well. The mobile receiver as well works extremely well, and that charging case, which I've loved, and also the fact that we have a built-in charging case now that can hold pretty much everything. Like all the accessories that you will need are in that charging case. And it was definitely very cool to see DJI partner with an artist. They've partnered with Victo to create this super stylish series here, the Time series, which just looks amazing. It really stands out if you've got the right outfit and the right scene for one of these guys. So that's the DJI Mic Mini 2, a very impressive budget-friendly microphone system that I think a lot of creators are going to love. There's so much personality and styling going on here that what isn't to love? So let me know your thoughts below. Like I said, this entire video has been recorded directly from the Mic Mini 2, so let me know what you think of the audio quality as well. Let us know down below. If you've got any questions as well, drop them down there and I'll definitely make sure to help you out.